we're going to do something a little different with the bends. This is really good for training your ear to hear stuff go to the right pitch. So we've been bending with 3 fingers. This is going to be, or what we're doing here is an example of when you're not going to use the 3-finger rule. So we got a bit of an exception here. So looking at the tab, you will see you have 2 numbers stacked on top of each other. So we're going to be picking 2 strings at once, only bending one, so the lower one. So with this first set, you got your index finger always holding the note on the B string. Your ring finger and your middle finger are going to be bending up the G string. So what you do is you pick both strings, and then you push up the G string until the same note is sounding. So you're basically bending up to that note on the B string. That's the goal here. Do it slow so you can hear them come together. So when it gets close, you'll start to hear this kind of a wave. Try and get it. Hopefully you can hear that. It's kind of, well, that's kind of like a bum. So basically, when it starts to slow down when you're getting the string, the bent string, close enough or closer to the note you're bending up to. So your goal is going to be playing all of these and try and do it slow enough so you hear the notes come together as one, and you want to have no wave. Now when you're playing just solo stuff, you can actually sound kind of good to have it be slightly off of the exact same note. But that's not our goal. The goal is to help train that ear. So here we go with the first set. Ooh. Ooh, that wasn't a very good one. There we go. Still getting used to these heavier gauge strings I put on. Anyway, no excuse, right? So the next one, the same fingers, but you're just going to have a fret, a 1 fret gap in there. So instead of being like this, you're going to be like that. That's that. So these rhythms might be fairly challenging, especially the last 2. But here we go with the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a 1 E and 2 and a 3 E and 4 and a... Alright, this next one, kind of you got your gallop rhythm, and then on one beat you'll have a reverse gallop happen, but I change where it happens each bar. So basically, it's going to happen on, the reverse gallop will happen on beat 4, then beat 3, then beat 2, then beat 1. So this is what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4 E and 1, and a 2, and a 3 E and 4, and a 1, and a 2 E and 3, and a 4, and a 1 E and 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4 E and 1, 1E and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and this next one we're done with the gallops and reverse gallops. This is just a different rhythm. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 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 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E. So the strum pattern with that is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and that's it. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll plan on seeing you at our regular time next week.